Paul? Is that what you're gonna do? Okay. Hi. Can I see your phone? Sure. Oh, sorry. That thing moved. How's it going? Hold up, puppers. There you go. Sorry, you ate them all.
Okay, good girl.
Sorry. Okay, I'll see you
Go
later.
outside.
Bye-bye. Good girl.
She's like, oh, where's my poodle at?
Oh, where's your dad going? Okay.
Oh.
One last one. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Okay, come on, we gotta let this